How to transfer data from Samsung S10 to S24 Ultra. Hi there, welcome back to the channel. In this video, you're going to learn how to quickly transfer all your data from a Samsung Galaxy S10 to the brand new Galaxy S24 Ultra, wireless and effortlessly using Samsung Smart Switch. Let's get started. Step 1. Prepare both phones. Make sure both phones are fully charged. Turn on Wi-Fi and place them next to each other. Step 2. Open Smart Switch. On both phones, go to Settings, Accounts and Backup, Smart Switch. If you don't see it, download Smart Switch from the Galaxy Store or Google Play Store. Step 3. Start the transfer. On the S24 Ultra, tap Receive Data. Select Wireless. On the S10, tap Send Data. Then, wireless as well. Step 4. Connect the phones. Wait for the phones to find each other. When prompted, on the S10, tap Allow to connect. Step 5. Choose what to transfer. Select the content you want, like apps, photos, messages, and more. Then, tap Transfer to begin. Step 6. Wait and finish. The transfer may take a few minutes depending on the amount of data. Once it's done, you're all set. Your new S24 Ultra is ready to go. And that's it. That was the step-by-step tutorial on how to transfer all your data from your Samsung Galaxy S10 to the S24 Ultra using Smart Switch. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more tips like this. Thanks for watching and see you in the next time.